What's going on, everybody? I just want to let you guys know that I had to do like a voiceover over it because I wasn't expecting to pull anything like the 2 Galaxy Opals I pulled. So yeah, enjoy the video. Peace. So you always get a diamond in these packs, so I'm just gonna make the video faster until I get to the good packs. So yeah. Let's go, Galaxy Opal! After that pack, all of the other packs were pretty much just diamonds until the next box. I'm gonna get the luck from Gambino for this pack. How much you wanna bet? Another Galaxy Opal! This is what my team looks like after all of those packs that I just opened. Galaxy Opal Alonzo Ball, Galaxy Opal Oscar Robinson, Pink Diamond Kevin Durant, Pink Diamond Kristaps Porzingis, and Pink Diamond Karl Anthony Towns. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like button, subscribe. Tell me in the comments if you guys want me to do some IRL like basketball videos, because I've been getting some ideas. So yeah, peace.